Hey YouTube, it's your boy Ground and Air coming back at you again. I got another package in the mail. We're going to get it opened up, see what we have in there today, and see if we can do another product review. Alright, looks like we have the replacement microphone that the boya microphone that I had and it didn't work out very well. It only worked like on one product out of 5 that I tried it on. Looks like this is the replacement for it. So let's go ahead and get it opened up and check it out. Okay, there we go. Alright, looks like we have just a traditional microphone cover, a little dead cat. Looks like we have a card for the purchase saying thank you, and a QR code to scan. We have the operator's or owner's manual. Nice box, magnetic lid, and we have a bag with their logo on it. And it looks like that is one of the shock absorber mounts. Looks like it has 2 shock absorber mounts. It has one bungee cord that goes from the microphone to your camera, and then it has a straight cord that goes from your microphone to your phone. That's the one we'll be trying. Move all these to the side. Oh, I feel like we have something else in here. Oh, we also have a foam microphone cover. That's awesome. We got 2 different covers now. And here's the microphone. It is branded with their logo. It looks like a standard camera, kind of like or a microphone like the Rode microphone. And let's go ahead and get it plugged up and see how it works. This end goes to the microphone. Get that plugged in there. And I'll get my phone turned on to video here. Let's see if there's a difference. This is going to be a sound test 1 2 3. Sound test 1 2 3. Now we'll go ahead and plug in the microphone. This is a sound test 1 2 3. Sound test 1 2 3. And we'll stop the recording there. And hopefully it's going to turn out better than the Boyd did, or not Boyd, boya. Because the only thing it would work on was a iPad 12 Pro. I tried it on 3 different iPhones and an Android and had no luck. This one said that it was supposed to work on virtually every phone from iPhone 5 and up. So hopefully this one will work and will be able to be used on my gimbal mount that I have. Go ahead and see how this dead cat fits on here. See if it fits okay. Looks like a tight. Oh, there we go. It fits on there good. Alright. And looks like I said, it does have two vibration mounts. Both of them have a cold shoe mount and a quarter turn mount, so that's good. You can use this on a camera or a gimbal. Let's see how they fit on here. Let's see here. Yeah, fits nice. All right. Well, I think we're going to leave the video off there. It was just a short video, and I'll come back at you with another video regarding how good the audio sounds when I get to view some of the recordings, and I will also go ahead and upload the soundtrack from my phone to this video as well. That way you can hear for yourself whether it did or did not work. And we're going to go ahead and cut it off there. This is a sound test 1 2 3. Sound test 1 2 3. This is a sound test 1 2 3. Sound test 1 2 3. And we're going to go ahead and cut the video there. And until next time, this is your boy Ground and Air, and I'm out.